When using the hot cut Hardy, one side is sloped at 45 degrees, the other one's straight. Now, depending on which way your piece is, you need to bear in mind which face you want. This is thin, but if I was cutting something thicker, would I want the 45 degree slant remaining with the work, or do I want the square at the end of the work? Now, this is a piece I cut earlier off the piece I was working, and there we got the 45 degrees. Now, that's useful in some instances, but not in others. When making the cut, obviously you've got to set the piece to one good blow, make sure it doesn't move. And you see a dark line appearing there, that's the hot cut coming through. Now I'm going to change from the flat face to the rounded face on the hammer for two reasons. One, using the rounded face as a smaller contact area, and two, if I do end up hitting the tool with the hammer and put a cut or a mark in it, in my normal forging work I won't leave a mark or a signature. Got a bit cold now. Bend it over, just quench that joint briefly, that'll make it more brittle, and you'll find it'll come off easily. There we go, we're left with the 45 remaining here. If the work was at the front, that would have a square cut on it.